adding your students to a community. By default, if you set a community up when you published your course, then it will be available to any students that join the community. However, if you set the community up after your course has been launched and you have students in there already, there might be a case that those students are not added to that community. Let's see how easy it is to add those students to the community. Let's go to community. Let's go down to this Zenler community and make sure that all our students are added to this course. I can click members here to see the members that are in there. Now at the moment it is just me. Now I want to make sure that everyone who's enrolled in this course is added to this community, and all I need to do is click add all enrolled students to the community. Let's click this now. Now you're going to see that we have the student that's enrolled in this course added automatically. Now they will have access to this community. Always double check that the students that you want to be added to the community are added.